If you're looking for something that supports weight loss, boosts your energy, and keeps you feeling light, this green salad is perfect for you. It's high in protein, rich in fiber, and low in calories, which means it keeps you full for longer and helps control cravings. This is my go-to green salad. It uses very simple ingredients, but the taste is completely different from a regular salad. I make this salad for meal prep, and I also enjoy it as a light dinner when I want something healthy but satisfying. The base of this salad is fresh vegetables, which are great for digestion, help reduce bloating, and support gut health. I prepare everything in a chopper. It's quick, clean, and completely mess-free. Tomato adds a natural freshness and light tanginess, making the salad taste bright and refreshing. What makes this salad really special is the balance. The protein in this salad helps support muscle health and keeps you full, while the fiber slows digestion and prevents sudden hunger. This combination of protein and fiber is ideal for weight loss because you don't feel hungry again very quickly. This isn't a boring green salad with a simple dressing and no fancy ingredients. The flavors come together beautifully, and that's what makes it easy to stick to. Consistency is the real secret to healthy weight loss, and meals like this make it much easier. Fresh, light, and satisfying. This salad never makes you feel heavy. One bowl, and you'll feel clean, energized, and nourished. If you enjoy easy, healthy, and sustainable recipes, don't forget to follow the channel and tell me in the comments, what do you usually add to your salad for protein,